So here's how to create Notion template. First off, on the Notion website, go to the left panel and tap on the plus icon beside private to create a new page. Then, give your new page a name as shown, for example, template. After that, enter the / key for command below the page name. Here, scroll down and select a table to create a table. You can repeat the same to add a heading. For example, name it Step 1. Then, go to the left panel and tap on Templates. Here, you can browse and explore all the available templates. Select a template from here and tap on Preview to view it. After that, go back and tap on Add. You have now successfully added this template to this page. Now edit the template as you like. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily create Notion template.